How to make money with Chat GPT. If you're interested in monetizing your Chat GPT interactions, here are a few suggestions on how to make money. 1. Online consulting. You can offer your expertise on a specific subject or industry as a consultant. People can pay for one-on-one sessions where you provide insights, advice, or guidance using the Chat GPT model. 2. Content creation. Use Chat GPT to generate unique and engaging content for blogs, websites, or social media platforms. You can offer your services as a content creator or copywriter and charge clients for the content you generate. 3. Virtual assistant. Position yourself as a virtual assistant who can help individuals or businesses manage their tasks, appointments, and general inquiries using Chat GPT. Charge a fee for your services on an hourly or project basis. 4. Language translation. Utilize ChatGPT's language capabilities to offer translation services. You can translate written content, conversations, or even provide real-time interpretation for online meetings and conferences. 5. Chatbot development. Develop customized chatbot solutions for businesses using ChatGPT. Many companies are looking to incorporate chatbots into their websites or customer service systems, and you can provide them with this service. 6. Tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can offer tutoring or coaching services using ChatGPT. Whether it's academic tutoring, language learning, or skill development, people can pay you for personalized sessions. 7. Gaming and entertainment. Incorporate ChatGPT into interactive storytelling or gaming experiences. You can create choose-your-own-adventure style games or interactive narratives that users can enjoy, and monetize them through subscriptions or in-app purchases. 8. Market research and surveys. Use ChatGPT to conduct market research or collect data through surveys. Companies often require insights and feedback from consumers, and you can provide them with valuable information by designing and administering surveys. Remember to consider legal and ethical guidelines when using ChatGPT for commercial purposes. It's essential to be transparent about the capabilities and limitations of the AI model and ensure you deliver high-quality services to your clients.